Hi, welcome back to BahasaIndonesia for foreign speaker class by Post class. Sorry I didn't manage to upload any video last week, but I'm gonna make it up for you starting this week. I'm gonna be more diligent, promise. Okay, let's start. In today's lesson, we're gonna learn Waktu or time in English. Since you already learned number in Indonesians in the last videos, I'm going to teach you how you can tell time or ask what time is it in Indonesian, since it's very useful in our daily life. Okay, let's begin. So first thing first, you need to know some words before we start learning how to tell time in Indonesian. So there are two words that you need to know. Two words, so formal and informal. So the first one is pukul and the second one is jam. So both we use in telling time depending on the situations, formal and informal. Remember this. And then some other words that you need to know is this: jam means hour, minute means minute, and then detik means second. Okay, now what are the questions that will be very useful? So the questions when you want to ask what time is it now, you say jam berapa. So you can just say jam berapa. So jam is time, in this case is time, and berapa means how much or how many, but this is how we ask for jam berapa. And then sekarang means now, so you can say it or you don't have to, but it's very useful. So what time is it now? When you want to ask that to somebody, you can say jam berapa, or you can say jam berapa sekarang. And then the other person will say sekarang jam, or he or she or they will just say jam, it is blah 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 in English. Easy, right? Just I hope you still remember the number in Indonesians in the last video, at least from 1 to 10. So I'm gonna teach you first one, how to say o'clock in Indonesian. So in Indonesian the word is tepat. So when it's o'clock in English, we say, for example, this one, it is 1 o'clock, we say sekarang pukul 1 tepat, o'clock. Or you can say sekarang, now, it is jam 7 tepat, o'clock. So now, so we don't really have the it in Indonesian, so we don't really use it, so we just say time. So jam is 1 tepat, jam 7 tepat. So you can use sekarang or you can remove it, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then in English we say, second one you need to know is lebih. So in English we say past. For example, it is 15 past 3, right? But in Indonesian we say 3 first before the hour first before the minute. So instead of saying pukul 15 lebih 3, it's the other way around. So pukul 3, so the hour first, 3 lebih pas 15, and then we say, because it's the minute, so it's 3 o'clock, but then we have past 15 minutes, so it's 15 minutes after 3 o'clock, so we say pukul 3 lebih 15 menit. So the hour first and then the minute, and then we add the word for minute. The second example, pukul 10 lebih pas 2 minute. So it's 10 o'clock, and then it's been 10 minutes since 10 o'clock, something like that. Is that understandable? I hope it's understandable. Okay, and then the third one is, oops, where it was? Here. So kurang in English it's 2. So in English it is 10. So it's like 10 minutes to 7 o'clock to 7, right? But in Indonesians we say the hour first. So it's supposed it will be 7, right? So we say jam 7, 7. Kurang means less or minus, and then because it's 50 minutes, so it's still 10 minutes before 7, right? So we say jam 7 kurang minus 10 minutes. So it is, instead of saying it's 10 to 7, we say 7 and it's minus 10, like 7 o'clock, but it's minus 10 minutes, something like that. So then jam, the second example, jam 12, it will be 12 o'clock, but it's still 1 minute before it, right? So jam 12 kurang 1 menit, 1 minute. Understand? I hope it's easy to understand. And am I too fast? I hope not, right? I hope not. Okay, and then half, we say setengah, half. So it's jam, and you can replace this one again with pukul if it's informal situations. If it's informal situations, it is jam. If you are in a formal situation, then you can use the word pukul. Jam 10:30. So in English we say 10:30, right? 10:30. So, but in Indonesian, instead of we don't use a 10. So in 30 minutes it will be 11 o'clock, right? So in Indonesian we say 11:30. So 11 here is 11. Do you remember from the last lesson? So we don't say 10:30, but we say 11:30. So like like half. I hope it's easy to understand. Okay, and then last one, so it's quarter. So in English we say it's pretty much similar. So the word is seperempat. So seperempat, quarter. So for example, so it's the same, like remember the lebih and kurang earlier. So pukul, the hour first, 10, lebih seperempat, a quarter. And then the same, kurang jam 10 kurang seperempat. It is a quarter to 10. Wow, we have learned lebih, and then kurang, and then seperempat, half, and tepat. And some additional information for you. So we don't use the 12-hour system, so we use the 20-hour. So we don't use the AM, PM in Indonesian. So instead we say the pagi, morning, siang, noon, sore, and then malam. So pagi is morning, let's say until, so 11 is 11, and then noon is from like 12 to before 3 p.m. So and then from 3 p.m. is sore until 6. So starting from 7 it's malam, like evening or night. So pagi, siang, sore, malam. And in English you could say just the number, right? So for example it is 2:30. So in Indonesian we can also say that. So jam 2:30, jam 2:30. Or pukul, the second example, 11, 10. And then to say at, we use the word pada, the preposition. Saya bertemu Doni pada jam 5 sore means Matt could meet Matt, depends on the case, Doni at 5 p.m. Wow, we've learned a lot today. And the last additional information that I need to tell you is the time zone in Indonesian. So it's divided into 3 time zones. So the WIB, or we say WIB in Indonesian, WITA, WIT. So waktu Indonesia Barat, the Western Indonesian time, di GMT plus 7, waktu Indonesia Tengah, GMT plus 8, waktu Indonesia Timur, GMT plus 9. Since I'm in Jogja, it's GMT plus 7, so I'm in the Western Indonesian time, the WIB. Wow, you learned a lot today. Thank you so much for staying here. I'm gonna see you again on Sunday. So if you want to review the lessons, you can download the PDF on my web, the www.pusclass.weebly.com, and load the PDF there. And I also have small exercise for you, so you can practice what you have learned today. Okay, see you, bye.